Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable USB debugging on your INFINIX Hot 50. So first, we want to make sure that we have developer options enabled. If you do not have it, then go to My Phone, then scroll down to Version Info and tap on the build number until you see the option to provide the password. After you've done that, go to the system at the bottom and scroll down to developer options. Here, we're going to scroll down. And as you guys can see in the debugging section, the USB debugging is the first option. We're going to click here and click OK. So now it is enabled. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.